Go into your room, that's right. Sit on that fat of yours and do nothing but listen to records.
Back so soon? Yes, it's a day after the big brush off, and I'm back to show you this. This is kind of peripheral to vinyl and analog, but if you've ever seen me at a hi-fi show carrying around my big camcorder with the shotgun microphone on top, this could change everything, and I want to show it to you because it's really interesting anyway, and you might want to get one. And the only way to do this is to put the camera on the other side of my shoulder and get it close up so I can take this thing apart and show you how it works. Okay, we'll do that right now. All right, let me show you this PowerVision S1 and show you how it works. So it's a very compact little device. You can stick it in your pocket and you wouldn't even know it's there. But when you want to use it, you open the door, you pull out the arm and you raise it, and then you flip this part of the gimbal right there, and then you flip this part, and you're pretty much ready. Now, I use it with my iPhone, and you can hook it up one of two ways. So there's a clamping device right here. You put it on here. It's like a spring-mounted clamping device. Or you can get a paste-on thing like that you put on the back of your smartphone very carefully, and it's got the magnetic holder in it and a few other options. But I didn't use this for these purposes, but it's possible to do that. I use the clamp. So now I fit this here like this. And I close the door, and I turn on the power right here. There we go. Now it's powered up, and as you can see, it's in vertical mode. I don't want it in vertical mode, so I push this button twice, and it goes into horizontal mode just like that. And now I'm going to open the camera. It also comes with software, the S-Vision software, so there it is. Now the device is connected. So now I'm connected up, and as you can see, let's see if you can see, I can rotate it with the push of a button. I can zoom in and zoom out. I can flip it up and go sideways. Now it's shooting video, and now I'm going to walk around and show you how it works. I can zoom in, and you see all the crap on my floor, deal with it. I can pan left and right. See right there, you can actually pick an item or pick a person to connect with, and it will follow that person or that item. And what I did was I took this on a trip. You know, I've gotten off of Facebook because I don't like the whole Facebook thing. If I was still on Facebook, I would have posted videos from Abu Dhabi, because I was in Abu Dhabi for the Formula One race. Believe it or not, someone invited me there, and it was a great trip. And I brought this with me. It was the first time I used it. So I'm going to show you some footage of this, how I used it in Abu Dhabi, just learning how to use it. On my hand?
Yes, on that one.
On the right hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
She's got a
Thank
hand.
you.
This is the record, and it showcases the most strategic and the most successful projects that the Emirate of Abu Dhabi has been working on for the past years, and that also impact the future of the economy of the Emirate and the Al-Qanah, the war. So for example, if you want to learn more about the project, you just click on the screen and it will give you a small synopsis of what the project is, as well as a photo gallery, so you can familiarize yourself more with the project. This Khazabi, she's an Emirati artist, and Franciani, they are the artists that are working on these merchandise. You can take some of them as memories for yourself.
Thank you very much.
We also
I'm coming. All the ladies. Right. There you go, perfect. Oh, look at this way. The start, it's not good. It's pressure, man. The experience weak. Oh.
This is fun. You could have a good time doing this.
What is it?
Looking at myself and talking. I turn the camera around so I can talk to the camera and say, I'm having a good time here. And so, as a device to take to a hi-fi show and to be able to shoot video at a hi-fi show rather than carrying around a camcorder, it seems like a really, really good idea, and that's what I'm going to do. It's compact, and they've got some really cool accessories. It comes with its own built-in tripod right here, 2 feet. And that. So you could actually put it down and shoot video. You could get on camera. I could go on camera from here probably, and I can't see what I'm doing, but I can go over here and be on camera. Hi there. One accessory happens to be this screw-in tripod base here. This is a little bit more of a sophisticated kind of tripod. How's that? I think that's the coolest thing. And there's a lot more this thing can do. This will charge your phone right here. You turn it on, put the phone charging thing right there, and it'll charge your phone. I'm going to take this to hi-fi shows. Why do I need the big camcorder when I can just use this? So I can say goodbye to the camcorder and hello to PowerVision S1. I got to buy this thing.